Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic of English grammar, determiner. Dear students, this is very beneficial for the students of class 10th and 9th. As you know, it contains 2 or 3 marks in class 10th board examination. So we discuss about a very important topic of English grammar, determiner. Determiner. Advise, advisor. Determine, determiner. Students, determiner is a word which fixes, which limits, which determine noun and noun words. Also we can say that determiner is a word that is used before nouns. That is used before noun to limit its meanings. To limit its meaning. Noun words and its meaning. Determiner is a fixing word. Determiner is a fixing word. Always determine, fixes, limits noun and noun words. This is decider. This is the determinant. Okay? You are my students. My determiner. I write a letter. A determiner. Yasi is my daughter. My determiner. My mother is an ideal lady. An determiner. So we can say that determiner is a word which limits or fixes or limits or determine noun or noun words. This is a fixing word. Determiner is a fixing word. Fixing word. Okay? We discuss about the kinds of determiners. How many kinds of determiners? Dear students, there are main 7 kinds of determiners. First one is article determiner. Second is demonstrative determiner. Third is possessive determiner. Fourth is numeral determiner. Fifth is distributive determiner. Next is quantitative determiner. And last is interrogative determiner. Okay? Article determiner. There are 2 types of article determiner. First is definite article and second is indefinite article. Indefinite article. Like that, numeral determiner also. There are 2 types of numeral determiners. First one is definite numeral determiner and second is indefinite numeral determiner. Okay students, we discuss about article determiner. How many kinds of article determiners? As you can see here, there are two types of article determiner. First one is definite article and second is indefinite article. Okay, so at first we discuss about definite article. Students, definite article indicates the specific object. It indicates the specific object, specific person, place, thing. It is always used to particularize noun or noun words. Okay? We can say that definite article always used for specific and unique object. Always specify noun or noun words, specific and unique objects. Definite article always used, it is always used before the words which are unique or specific. We can use definite article before common nouns, but this is the condition that the word, respective word, must be defined just after that. Okay? Like also we can use definite article before the words which has been already mentioned in the statements. Okay? Like call the boy who is waiting outside. Call the boy who is waiting outside. The girl who stood first was given a prize. The girl, the fruits of that basket are quite fresh. Okay? The sun rises in the east. Means specific words. Okay? And already mentioned, like a boy is there, he is the captain of Indian hockey team. Okay? A boy is there. A boy. After that, the captain. Okay, students? Also, we can use definite article before the words which are proper nouns. Which are proper nouns. But it is qualified by adjective or adjectival phrase, like the Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Mumbai is the London of India. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is the Newton of India. Newton of India. Ahmedabad is the Manchester of India. He is the Tulsidas of this age. Okay? In this condition, we always use definite article. Okay? We discuss about where we can use definite article. Definite article use before superlative degree also. Superlative degree. Wise, wiser, wisest. Great, greater, greatest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Means superlative form. Like Yassi is the most beautiful girl. Most beautiful girl in my family. Okay? Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. She is the most intelligent girl in my class. Means before superlative degree we can use definite article before superlative degree. Okay, students? Before the proper nouns we can use definite articles before proper nouns which has a physical features which are unique, like the Ganga. If we are talking about rivers, this is common noun. When we are especially talking about river Ganga, this is unique, this is specific. The Ganga, the Nile, the Himalaya, the Pacific, the Sahara Desert, okay, the sun, the earth, the moon, the universe, the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar, the Red Fort, the Wall of China, the Statue of Liberty, the Statue of Unity, certain books, the Ramayana, the Gita, the Mahabharata, the Quran, the Bible, the Hindu, the Muslims, the Sikhs, the Christian, before the name of religion, religious books, before the historical events like the Battle of Panipat, the French Revolution, okay, like before the names of rivers, before the names of musical instruments, the harmonium, the tabla, the violin, the guitar, Pacific Ocean, Sahara Desert, Taj Mahal, before the name of important groups, the Air Force, the Navy, the Army, the Air Force, the Navy, the Army, before national political parties, the BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, okay, the Congress, the CPI, okay students, and before national newspapers, before the names of national newspapers, the Times of India, the Hindu, the Pioneer, the Hindustan Times, okay, this is very beneficial for the students, like the Bay of Bengal, before the names of direction, the East, the West, the North, the South, okay students, these types of words we always use definite article, okay. Let's we discuss about indefinite article, where we use indefinite article. indefinite article, a and an. Dear students, a always use before the words which begins with consonant sound, and an is always used before the words which begins vowel sound. Here I am not talking about vowel and consonant. I am talking about the pronunciation, the sound of vowel and consonant. Okay? So before the words which begins with consonant sound. Okay? A. You are a teacher. Nishi is a good girl. I wrote a letter. Sachin Tendulkar is a good batsman. Okay, students? Ram is a teacher. My father is a doctor. Means we always use the words which begins with consonant sound a. Means a before the words which begins with consonant sound. Okay? Like a team, a book, a player, a teacher, a university, a uniform, a unique object, a union, a one-eyed man, a one-sided game, a 1 rupee note, a European, a teacher, a country, a book, a pencil. Okay? Before consonant sound. Here this is vowels, but the pronunciation of these words, the first letter of this word is like consonant. So before these types of words we always use a. Okay, students? After that it is always used for certain quantity, when we represents the certain quantity, like a dozen, a lot of, a pair of, a lot of, a couple of, 1,000, rupees. Okay, in this condition, a lot of. Okay, students, just after that, and. Where we use and? We use and before the words which begins with vowel sound. Like, my mother is an ideal lady. An ideal lady. An expert. An engineer. An information. An MBBS. An IAS. An MLA. An honest man. An or an honorable man. Okay, students, an author, an American writer, an Asian writer, an umpire, an experiment. These are very important. Okay?